Hello, my friends and all respected persons. Today is Guru Purnima. So many my students they had given me best wishes. So I am very thankful all of them. And today I will talk on the one topic, and that topic means the habit. I have seen lot of persons who came in my life, or my students also I have seen that, who are my relatives also. So everybody has the different habit is there. Many mans, many minds and many habits like this. But when habit increase, when we do any habits again and again, so it become the addiction. And we don't know that is addiction for us. So some persons are there, they always, they knows that very well. Now I am making mistakes, and because of that mistakes, my parents, they will shout to me. They knows very well, but then also they make that mistake, and because of that parents shout to them. Not only parents, but they get the loss also. But then also that mistakes they are doing again and again, like this one habit is there of them. Second type of the habit I am telling that some person habit is that always they take out the mistakes of others. They don't admire to anyone. Whatever good is there, they will not watch. But something bad, something wrong is there, they will watch and they will irritate to them. They never admire to others. Like this, some person habit is there. Some person habit is there, they always work and work. They are workaholic. Every day only they behind that work. And if they don't do work, then they will become restless. Like this. Some persons are there, they have habit like this. They always shout for the any little mistakes. Whenever anybody does any little mistake, then suddenly they shout. They also knows that when I am shouting, so it is a bad for our impression. Bad impression is there on the others. They knows very well. Afterward they repent for it. But then also they can't do anything. Because why? They have a habit, they have addiction about it. And some persons habit is like this also. They always keep how to maintain to another's mind. Don't hurt to another mind. They always think about it. If anything wrong is there, then also they never tell. They are gentlemen. So because of that, Guru Purnima, on the occasion of Guru Purnima, I am telling you, don't take out the another's mistakes. You rectify it. You tell them in soft voice. Then automatically your impression will increase. Your knowledge is there, then you give them. But don't disrespect to them. One guru is telling to you. So now you have listened me very carefully. So I am very thankful all of you. Don't take it otherwise. Don't take it ill also. Huh? And just now this video is over. Watch me tomorrow on another topic. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.